Hi there, my name is Brandon and welcome to Optima, home of the Optima APOS Series product line. Now, you're most likely watching this video because you want to learn how to properly update your PCProg software with the latest release. Now, I'm happy to say it's very easy to do and takes only a few minutes. So if you're near your PC or laptop and you're ready to go, I'll show you how to do that right after this. Okay, welcome back. Now I'm going to show you how to update the PCProg software. Now, just as we did before when we downloaded the original PCProg software, we're going to go back to the official Optima website to download the newest update. So on your computer or laptop, open your browser and visit Optima's official website here at www.optimagopos.ca. Then at the top here on the main menu, select Dealer Login right over here and enter your login credentials. If you have an account set up on the dealer portal but forgot your password, just select Forgot right over here and enter your email and select the reset link. From there, you'll receive an email where you can now make a brand new password. If you haven't received your login credentials for the dealer portal yet, just email members@optimagopos.ca and someone will contact you back with that information. Now I'm just going to enter my email address and then my password, and then press login here. Now that we've entered the dealer portal, scroll down to where it says Optima PCProg. And then underneath that, you'll see PCProg Installer latest release. Now, under that, select the download button. Now on this page, if you hover your mouse over the word latest release, you'll see a radio button appear on the left-hand side. Select the radio button and then above that, select download. Now depending on which browser you're using or what settings you have, it may just automatically start downloading to your downloads folder. But if not, a Windows pop-up will appear as you can see here, asking you where you'd like to save the file. Let's save it to our desktop. Okay, download is complete. We can now close the browser window. Then right mouse click over the zip file and select Extract All. Select Browse. Then select Desktop on the left side pane. Select New Folder. And let's call it PCProg. Then press Select Folder button at the bottom here. Select Extract. Now open the PCProg folder and open the folder titled Latest Release. Then open the folder titled PCProg Installer with the version number. Then double-click the file titled PCProg Installer with extension called MSIX Bundle. A pop-up will appear that says Update PCProg, and then below you'll see a checkbox that says Launch when ready. You can leave that selected and just press Update. The update is now complete and PCProg should automatically launch. To confirm that the upgrade was successful, you just need to verify the version number. To do this, just click on the Help menu located on the top left corner of the screen. Then select About. And right under the PCProg logo, you will see the version number. And as you can see here, the update was completed successfully. You now know how to update the Optima PCProg software. Why don't you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notified as soon as we upload any new videos. Also, if you want to learn more about the Optima APOS series line of products or need any POS accessories such as barcode scanners, printers, Windows PC POS terminals, and more, visit www.optimagopos.ca. Again, that's www.optimagopos.ca. I'm Brandon from Optima, and I'll see you again.